Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change font on PDF document, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to change font on PDF document. First, just go to Canva and then click upload. After that, click upload files and then upload the PDF you want to change the font. Okay, for example, this one, DM script. Double click. And you can see here the PDF, it's downloaded. And now just click on it. Okay, now select where you want to change the font. Okay, for example, if I want to change the font in the first paragraph, just highlight it. After that, you see here the font Avenir. Just click on it. And you see here document fonts Avenir. And then just scroll down and select the font you want. Okay, if for example I want to choose Anton, just click on it. After that, click change all. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to change font on PDF document. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.